Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the invitational link to a Doodle meeting in 2026. For instance, if you'd like to stop inviting people to that event, guys. So this is how it works. Navigate your account on Doodle, and then what you want to do is go to your dashboard and go through the list of your doodles, right? So you can also click into see all doodles here to get an overview. And then go to the given event. So let me go with that example event here, right? Click into it. And then guys, what you want to do is click into these three dots here next to the edit button, and you will see this option, disable link. So as you can see, that event is scheduled for tomorrow. If I click into that button, the link to the invitation will be disabled, so grayed out. As you can see, I can't invite anyone, and you would have to enable it back again to start inviting participants to the meeting or video conference. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.